Dear friends, in the joint entrance section, you will see a super trick to find the rank of a word. Here, the letters of the word random are written in all possible orders and the words are written as in a dictionary. Find the rank of the word random. In traditional method, it will take too much time, but in this section, you will see how to find the rank of this word in only few seconds. Friends, first of all, we shall find the rank of the letters of the word random. R-A-N-D-O-M. A comes first in the alphabetical order, so its rank is 1. Okay. Next letter is D, so its rank is 2. Next is M, so its rank is 3. Next letter is N, rank is 4. Next comes O, its rank is 5. And finally comes R. For these, its rank is 6. Friends, for the letter R, you see how many letters are there on the right side of R whose rank is less than R. That means how many numbers are there which are less than 6. You see that all the numbers are less than 6 and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are less than 6. For this you have to write 5. Okay. Next is on the right side of A, you see how many letters are there whose ranks are less than A. That means how many numbers are there on the right side of 1 which are less than 1. No number is less than 1. For this you have to write 0. Next, for the letter N, you see that the numbers on the right side of 4, only 2 and 3 are less than 4. For this we have to write 2. 2 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4, but 5 is not less than 4. Only 2 numbers are less than 4. For this we have written 2. Now for the letter D, how many numbers are less than 2? No number is less than 2. So we write 0. For the letter O, and its rank is 5. How many numbers are less than 5? Only one number is less than 5. We write 1. For the letter M, you see that no number is right side of 3, so you have to write only 0. Next step is, from the right side you put 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and finally 5 factorial. Friends, you just multiply all of them. Okay. After multiplication you will get a result and finally you have to add 1. This is the trick. So 0 into 0 factorial is 0. 0 factorial means 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 factorial is equal to 1. Next is 2 factorial into 0 is 0. And 3 factorial into 2. 3 factorial means 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 4 factorial into 0 is 0. 5 factorial is 120 into 5. That is 600. And add all of them. After addition, you have to add this 1 also, plus 1. Okay, this is the important step. And you are getting 600 plus 12 plus 1, that is 613 plus 1. Finally you are getting 614. Okay, 614th word is the rank of random. Next word is zenith, Z-E-N-I-T-H. Please friends, observe that all the letters are distinct. No letter is repeated here. And first of all, we have to find out the rank of each and every letter. E comes first, so rank is 1. Next is H, the rank is 2. Next is I, rank is 3. Next is N, rank is 4. Next is T, its rank is 5. And finally comes Z, the rank is 6. Now friends, what to write? On the right side of Z, find out how many letters are there whose ranks are less than Z. That means how many numbers are there whose value is less than 6. 1 is less than 6, 4 is less than 6, 3 is less than 6. Each and every number is less than 6. So how many numbers are less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are less than 6. We write 5. Next, for the letter E, on the right side of E, that means you find how many numbers are less than 1. No number is less than 1, so we write 0. For the letter N, on the right side of N, find out how many numbers are there which are less than 4. 1, 2, so we write 2. For the letter I, you see that how many numbers are there on the right side of 3 which are less than 3. Only 2 is less than 3, so write 1. For the letter T, 2 is less than 5, so only one number is less than 5, so we write 1. And on the right side of H, no number is less than 2. For this we write 0. Okay. Next step is we have to put 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, finally 5 factorial. Okay. So we multiply them. After multiplication, we shall get a result, and with the final result, we shall add 1. So friends, 0 into 0 factorial means 0. 1 into 1 factorial, it is 1. 1 into 2 factorial, it is 2. 3 factorial means 6. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 4 factorial into 0. 0. 5 factorial into 5. 5 factorial means 120 into 5, that is equal to your 600. Okay. Now add all of them. Yes. And also we have to add plus 1. So friends, you are getting 612, 614, 615, and finally 616. 616. The rank of the word zenith in the dictionary is 616. Now friends, now it is for your time that you will also do by yourself. So this is DIY, do it yourself. Some words I will give you and you have to find out the rank of the words in the dictionary with or without meaning. First one I want to write rental. Next, number 2, voice, VOICE. Number 3, equation, EQUATION. Friends, write the rank of the words in all possible ways, with or without meaning, in the dictionary. Please write in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.